In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Gemini on your Android phone. So there's a couple of settings we need to disable, so let's jump straight into it. Now, very first thing you need to do is go and open up the Google app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your account and click on your profile icon in the top right hand side. You can then click on Settings and then select Google Assistant. Now go and scroll down this page until you see Digital Assistants from Google and click on this. Now at the moment mine's set to Gemini, but we can go and change this to the Google Assistant. Now the next thing you need to do is head over to your home screen and we need to look for the Gemini app. Now you can use the search box at the bottom of this page and just search for Gemini. Now if you do see the app, you can just go and hold your finger down on it like so, and then you can press uninstall and you can press OK to uninstall the app. Now once you've done that, we're going to open up the settings on your phone. You can then use the search box at the top of this page and go and search for Gemini. From the list of options, click on Gemini settings, and what I'd recommend doing is going through this list and disabling as many of the features as you can. So for example, where it says talk to Gemini hands-free, you can go and click on this and you can go and disable any of the features that are currently turned on. Now just bear in mind there may be a couple of things that you can't turn off, but for most of these you will be able to disable them. So for example, click on screen context, you can click on Digital Assistant app, and you can go and set this to none. So you can effectively just keep going through all of these settings, make sure everything is disabled. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.